Hello, today I'm in Subaru HV. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable keyless entry system. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and navigate through using this panel on the steering wheel. Go to Menu, enter Vehicle Settings, Keyless Entry System, and here you can enable Hazard Warning Flasher for this function, Security Relocking Timer, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment.